I started selling digital products back in 2019, and the very first platform that I used was Gumroad. Gumroad allowed me to get my product up and ready to sell in a matter of minutes. It literally took me less than 20 minutes to get everything all set up. And I already know for a lot of new digital product sellers, trying to figure out where to sell your digital products, getting things set up, and all things tech can be a lot, and it makes you feel stuck, and a lot of you don't even get started. So that's why in this video I want to share with you what is Gumroad and what you can sell with Gumroad, the pros and cons of using Gumroad, and is Gumroad right for you. So let's get into it. So what is Gumroad? Gumroad is an e-commerce platform where creators can sell their products online and start earning income. Gumroad also has a built-in marketplace called Discover, where people can search and buy your products, giving you that additional traffic to your products. With Gumroad, you can sell ebooks in the form of PDFs or pub. You can also sell other digital downloads like PDF files, music, software, digital art accessories like Procreate brushes. You can also sell courses with Gumroad, and you can sell paid membership. So if you want to have a paid community or something like a paid newsletter, you can do that with Gumroad. Gumroad also allows you to bundle your products that you're selling. So if you want to sell a course plus a digital product, you can do that as well. Gumroad takes care of the entire process from hosting your product to processing payments and delivering your product to the customer or giving them access to your product. Now let's talk about the price and fees associated with Gumroad. Gumroad doesn't have any upfront fees or monthly subscription fees. They don't have any plans for you to choose from. They just have flat rate transaction fees. If you're selling digital products directly from your own digital store, there is a 10% transaction fees. If you are selling your products using their Discover marketplace, then there is a 30% transaction fee. Now, Gumroad does offer some additional tools to help you as a digital seller. One of those tools is a built-in email marketing platform, which means you can email your customers directly from your Gumroad platform, and there's no need for you to go and get a third-party platform like Kit or MailChimp. You have access to do that all from one platform. With their email marketing tool, you can set up email workflows, which is their version of email automation. You can create email welcome sequences and also create abandoned cart emails to re-engage those customers who abandon their carts. Gumroad allows you to have embedded checkout pages, which means if you have your own website, you can use Gumroad to monetize your website by embedding a checkout page directly into your website. There's also upsell features, which allows you to sell additional products to your customers when they're checking out, helping you to increase sales. And they also offer an affiliate marketing program where other people can get paid to promote your products. You will end up paying them a 10% commission fee if they sell your products. Now let's get into the pros and cons of selling with Gumroad, starting with the pros. Gumroad is super easy to set up. Their website is very beginner friendly. It's easy to navigate. It has a quick setup. You can literally set up your product, add your price, and ready to sell it in a matter of a minute. It really simplifies the process of getting started with selling online. Another pro is that you don't have to pay out of pocket to get started with Gumroad because they don't have any upfront fees or that monthly subscription fee. You pay when you make money, and this is great for a lot of new digital product sellers who probably just want to test out their digital product idea or even just test out the waters and see if selling digital products is right for you. Another pro is their built-in email marketing tool. This allows you to build your email list, helping you to stay connected with your customers. You can send follow-up emails. You can let them know about any new updates or promote any new products, allowing you to build that relationship with your customers and turning them into repeat buyers. Now, on the flip side, let's talk about some cons. And you probably already guessed it, and that is high transaction fees. Gumroad has one of the highest transaction fees out there, especially compared to platforms like PayHip that only charges a 5% transaction fee, or a marketplace like Etsy that only charges a 6% transaction fees. These high transaction fees can really eat into your profit, so that is something that you really want to consider. Now, although Gumroad makes it super easy for you to build your digital store, there is limited customization. There's probably about 5 font styles that you can choose from, and you can only use 2 brand colors. A lot of the stores on Gumroad do look the same, and there is no way to really brand your store and stand out amongst everyone else. Another con is payouts. With Gumroad, in order to receive your funds from the sales that you make, you will need to set up a direct deposit. Gumroad processes payouts once a week on Fridays, and you do need to meet the minimum threshold of $10, which means you don't have a lot of flexibility on when you receive your funds from your sales. You do have the option to connect a PayPal business account. This will give you a little bit more flexibility on when you receive your payouts. However, if PayPal is not available where you live, then your only option will be to use their direct deposit and receive those weekly payouts. So is Gumroad right for you? Gumroad is best for new digital product sellers who just want a quick and easy setup. I can tell you that most creators probably started out on Gumroad selling their digital products. Gumroad again makes it super easy. If you don't care about brand or design and you don't want to have to pay out of pocket right now, then Gumroad is right for you. Now, if you are someone who has been selling digital products for a while, who doesn't want to pay those high transaction fees, then Gumroad may not be best for you. So let me know in the comments, do you plan to use Gumroad? Do you feel like Gumroad is worth it? Or if you are a digital seller who's used Gumroad, let us know in the comments. And to learn how you can sell your digital products with Gumroad, make sure you check out this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.